Breaking news, guys, if you do these three things, you will be financially free. And the third one will definitely surprise you. Go ahead and like, share, and save this video for later. You're definitely going to want to go back to it. Hi guys, my name's Paul Gillespie and I help people open up their own digital marketing businesses, working 2 hours a day in a rejection-free business, making 100% profits. Guys, in late 2023, I ran into some real heavy financial problems. I had to beg family members for money just to pay my mortgage. I hit rock bottom. I had some US real estate that when I got foreclosed on, and I lost some family's money. It still gets me here when I think about it. But guys, I didn't like who I seen in the mirror. I felt ashamed and embarrassed. But guys, May 8th, I started digital marketing and it's changed everything for me. But here are the three things, guys, that you need to do to be financially free. Number one, guys, you gotta be committed, 100% committed. You can't have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. You gotta have both feet in and you take this very serious, 120%. And number two, guys, you gotta be consistent. You gotta do your 3 posts. You gotta do consistency, guys. Everything relies on you being consistent. It's key. And number three, guys, is be coachable. Listen to people like millionaires and six-figure income earners where you want to be in life. Don't listen to your neighbor or your broke uncle. Listen to millionaires and six-figure income earners. Guys, in 88 days, I've made over $53,000. If you want to learn how to do this, just type yes in the comments and I will gladly share the blueprint with you. Know your value.